You're only as good, number one, as the belief or the lack of that you have in yourself. Number two, your audience that substantiates that, and I want to thank all of you. And then you've got Glennie Ray virus that walks in here and does the first set and a half in the fucking frock that she's sat in and driven this bang box, which has shaken me all around the fucking universe for the last week. And she's got me a swag and doing her best. And she climbs and moves all the musical equipment out the top so she can sleep. And I didn't know about this. I've been a little bit fucking spoiled in recent years, you know. And then I see Jimmy Willing at this doggone fucking, HIck-Ups obviously, festival. And he just blows the stage away at 12:30 AM. It's fucking AM to me, even if it's PM. Premenstrual tension, I don't know what's going on. Probably too old to get me period. But anyway, Glennie Ray gets up here, in the first set, totally ballisticifies, and no one would know that she's just driven 5 fucking hours in this frock. And I'm smashing around the fucking automobile and disillusioned and trying to, you know, hold my genitals in place. And she is on the phone constantly ringing and doing this orchestral shit like someone that actually can read and write music and looks after several Indigenous kids and teaches them and does all this amazing crap, which I'm fucking feeling very inefficient right now. But if I'm qualified for anything, I am qualified to all you people right now to assess that Jimmy Willing and his band, that the Remains and Glennie Ray are absolutely making me feel insecure because they're maestros and fucked up geniuses, and I love you all. Thank you very much, ladies and genitals.
Fuck the lockout laws. What's going on now? All right, let's talk about you. While we're waiting, this guy at the festival, I swear, all these different chicks were going, try some of this, and try some of that, and a bit more of this, and he's off the leash from his missus, and he gets on the dance floor. Gets on there, and there's really hot music playing, it's really going off. And he can't dance with the chicks, you know, because he's got a missus back at home in the scrub. So he asks this great big guy, 6'5" or something, huge and bald, looks a bit like an old version of Peter Garrett. He says, hey mate, have a dance with me. And the guy's going, no mate, I don't want to dance with you. We were watching, weren't we? He's going, come on mate, you've got to have a dance with me. And he's going, see that line? That means you're on the dance floor. You have to dance with me. He's in shorts. He's in stubbies and a Dixie Chicks t-shirt going, come on mate. It's like the Bears group in Lismore or something gone wrong. He's going, come on mate, and the guy must have been a bit homophobic. And then his wife joined in. She said, you're harassing my husband. He does not have to dance with you, mate. He was supposed to be MC tonight, but I was probably lucky he wasn't. What would he say about you all?
He'd love us.
You reckon he would?
He'd love us. So we're going to meet him in hell.
Hell is full of dead rock and roll stars.
Yeah.
They all end up in hell. Who the hell wants to go to heaven anyway? And the stairway's not so great. It's an awful long way up the stairway. It's a lot quicker just to take the elevator straight down to hell. It's much better than the stairway to heaven. Anyway, nobody wants to hear the devil talk shit.
Yes, we do.
No, I'm going to do that to you when you get to hell. I'm going to torture you all with country and western music. That's what I do to people in hell. I make them listen to country and western music. Fuck rap, fuck heavy metal. You homeboys have to listen to country and western music 24 hours a day. Because I'm one hell of a sick puppy and you're here to be punished. This song is number 1 in hell this week. It's not number 1 because anybody likes it. It's not number 1 because it sold 1 million copies. This song is number 1 in hell this week because Satan rigs all the charts in hell. It's my favorite song, and it goes like this. Whoa, baby, I've got Jesus on my dashboard, and it helps keep my soul warm at night. Because it's made in Taiwan, and it glows in the dark, and it's helping me brighten up my love. Well, baby, I've got Satan in my gas tank, and hell knows what I got in my veins. Because I'm driving through the night, and I'm feeling all right, though I ain't been asleep now for 5 days. That's right, folks. I've been awake for 5 whole days and nights at the wheel, driving my truck around this beautiful country, making sure that things get there on time. But I have to stay awake at the wheel. And that's why I take funny little white pills. And that's why I see strange purple apparitions on the highway at night. Yes, sir, I'm coming down the hill. I'm going way over the speed limit. I've got tons and tons of Big Mac truck. I could squash you and your family all flat. But I wouldn't do that, because I'm a Christian truck driver. And Jesus is on my side. Oh, baby, I've got Jesus on my dashboard. It helps keep my soul warm at night. Because it's made in Taiwan, and it glows in the dark, and it's helping to brighten up my life. Give it up for Jesus. Your strings get tangled? Well, baby, I've got Jesus on my dashboard, and it helps keep my soul warm at night. Because it's made in Taiwan, and it glows in the dark, and it's helping to brighten up my life.